What's up, family? Welcome back to Hustling Crypto, the channel about crypto and only crypto. I'm your beloved host, Boski, back with another video about another project that's looking so promising, man. I'm talking about this project is amazing, called Golden Society. And I've been waiting to do this video for like 4 or 5 days. I've been taking care of other things and I was traveling. Right now, I'm sitting in a hotel for the next 3 weeks, crypto related, but couldn't wait to do this video, man. If this is your first time on my channel, hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get notified when I drop new content like this. On this channel, we talk about nothing but crypto projects to give people like you and me the opportunity to make a passive income. So I'm super excited about this video. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get straight to the video. So let's get started. Now, before I jump into the project, I want to let you know that everything is going to be put down into the descriptions where you can go to their Twitter, their Discord, and the website. That way you have all the information to do your own research. Now, when you come to their website, it's going to look very vibrant. I mean, you got the gold flakes all over the place. They got everything in 24 karat gold, so it's looking nice. It says become a member of the Golden Society. They got the link right there where you can join the Discord, but I'll have that same link in my description part. It says the most exclusive DeFi node protocol. You can join us today to earn a lifetime sustainable passive income. And I'm explaining to you exactly how they plan on doing this. I told you before, I'm super excited about the project. I can't wait till it launch. Now they got safeguarding society with daily rewards, a 5% daily rewards, limited nodes. That's what I like, limited nodes. We felt challenged to develop a nodes and service protocol that provides the utmost transparency and stable price growth while maturing as an investor's community and company. By only accepting 120 new Golden Society members to become a node owner day to day. We have a mathematical framework to apprehend the company's growth and scale based on the formulas instead of hype. So they pretty much going and they trying to do it organically, not by hype, you know what I mean? Just trying to do it organically. I like that. So the Golden Society in-house data team is actively calculating and forecasting the runway for the rewards payout before any unsuspected exponential growth. Setting a hard cap on daily new emissions ensures that our treasury investments can be made responsibly and calculated to have the best and longest runway rewards for our investors. We believe this is the path for control, scalability, and income for the Gold Protocol and Society. They have limited nodes. We only accept 120 new Golden Society members to join the society and start a node. So every day is only going to be 120. That's going to create a huge demand. You know, people are going to be waiting to try to get them nodes out there. So, you know, unlike other projects where you can just create a whole bunch of nodes, you know, some projects go from 0 to 150,000 in a month. But I like the way they're doing is they're doing it small, on a smaller scale, making people wait and only getting 120 nodes a day. I think that's genius. Safeguarding the society. We are not a whale protocol. We are here for the personal investor that like to have a continuous flow of passive income rather than green, red candle chasing whales or venture capitalists. Now they got a whole bunch of different securities put in place. You know, the liquidity is locked for a year. The team will undergo KYC, multi-sigs, treasury voting, smart contracts getting audited. So they got a whole bunch of things in place. You know, this is really all thought out. Everything they put is thought out right now. So I like that about a project. And you go to their roadmap. They only got a roadmap for 3 months, but you know, it's showing what they got going on. They're gonna get listed on CoinGecko and all that type of stuff. So you might want to just take a look, go over it yourself, but I think this project is going to be here for a while. Now you scroll back to the top of the paper, you can click on be one of the first investors. It'll take you straight to the Discord. In the Discord, they got about 3,300 people in the Discord. It's still growing. So, you know, I expect that number to be in the tens of thousands within the next couple weeks. And then go to the Twitter page. That number right there is not the actual number. I think it's like 500 or 600 people that's following right now. But hey, I expect this to grow exponentially. You know what I mean? It's going to grow. Trust me. Now you go to their gold paper, it's not a white paper, it's a gold paper. It said the Golden Society knows the first exclusive society for sustainable passive income, and they're going to explain the current situation of nodes as a service. With the increase of node hopping behavior, most nodes as a service protocols grow too fast, and sustainable growth is killed right after the first week of launching. And I've seen that with a lot of projects. You've seen that with UNIV. You've seen that with Elixir. You've seen that with a whole gang of projects. With the explosive growth of many new node protocols in the market, we see a lot of price depreciation and battles for the best designed protocols and mainly their forks. New investors are getting drawn into the fear of missing out sentiment and losing their long-term investment strategy because they are simply joining too late. being dumped on by the first moved investors is textbook Ponzi-nomics that you can find in 90% of the protocols. Now, they're overpromised and undelivered. The next problem we find in the nodes as a service ecosystem is that most protocols promise a lifetime reward payout and sustainability, but the sudden popularity and hype for the protocol can quickly erase all previously made promises and expectations. Protocols quickly pivot to V2, V3, and play to earn kind of solutions that most of the time only reduce the short-term sell pressure, but will not further innovate the sustainability. Short-term strategy rollouts will cause a lot of investors fear, uncertainty, and doubt. We have seen these situations with big protocols like Ring, Thor, Power, Milk, and Strongblock. I won't read this because this is exactly what was on the first page of the website. We already went over it. But coming down to the nodeonomics, they got 2 million supply, 50% is going to the reward pool, 15% will go to the liquidity pool, 10% to the pre-sale for the whitelisted team, 10% to the team wallet, 10% to marketing, and 5% to the treasury to kick off first investments. Now, safeguarding your investment at launch, we're going to make sure your investment grows by days. We are not a whale protocol. We are here for the macro investor that like to have a continuous flow of passive income rather than green and red candle chasing. Going over their strategy, they got a 10K cap node limit. This is the maximum amount of nodes from where we will start the daily limit. We expect to reach this number with the initial node offering. Find out more about this in the initial node offering in our Discord. So they're going to start with 10,000 nodes. 10,000 nodes. Once they reach 10,000, that's when they're going to go to their daily limit. So as soon as they hit 10,000, you're going to be able to create 120 nodes per day. I think this is genius if you ask me. It's going to put a cap and the sell pressure down. 120 daily node limit. To protect your investment and safely continue the protocol, we have calculated to slowly increase the number of new society members joining. Every day there will be several moments where new members can join. We will only allow 120 new members to join us daily. Now, 20. It takes 20 tokens to create your first 10 Golden Society nodes. We have a fair compounding strategy to ensure every member compounds with a controlled speed. Read about it below. Invite only. After 15 nodes, you'll find a new feature just for you called Society Invites. This feature enables you to invite your friends into the society. When they use your personal code, they can bypass the daily node limit and join the society. So they have the 120 node cap, daily node cap, but when you have over 15 nodes, you can invite somebody and those people take your invitation with your code and they are able to bypass the 120 limit. They can just go ahead and create their nodes because they're invited by you, somebody from the society. So it's almost like, a secret little group. I send you a code and boom, you're able to get your node. Kind of dope, right? We have a claim tax in place of 10%. The tax rewards will be sent to the rewards and treasury pool. They have a sales tax. We will prevent the snipers and the bots at the launch of society. Therefore, we are implementing a sales tax of 40% that flows directly to the rewards pool. We reduce the tax every day until we get to the fair sales tax of 10%. There's a whale transfer tax of 50%. We have an over-the-counter system for every whale that likes to sell without damaging the society. As we are a fair policy protocol, we want our whales to not load up and have more than 100 nodes. Fair compound. As a society, we're going to take care of each other. We created a tier level system where leveling up on your nodes gets more challenging based on the higher tiers you are accessing. Find the tiers below. And as you can see how their system is actually just like red light node district. I think they made it a little bit better when they put that cap on there, because right now R&D is like 150,000 nodes and it's only been out like a month. So it's crazy. But to create 1 through 10, it takes 20 tokens. Once you get to 11 to 20, it costs 25 tokens. And once you go all the way up to 81 and 100, it's going to cost you 50 tokens to create those nodes, which is actually nice. You think about projects like Strong, where it's continuously just 10 across the board to create a node. I think this right here gives back more to the project. If you're going to have more nodes, you should pay more for your nodes to get those nodes. So that's why I like this project so much. I think it's amazing, you know what I mean? And then you scroll down, you can meet the team. They talk about the 8 people that's working with this project, the developers and all that stuff, the moderators. I think you should go look over this yourself. Like I said, all the information is going to be down here in the description box down below, so you can go down there and check that out. But I'm excited about this project. If you look over the white paper, I think you're going to be excited about it too. So that's it, family. That's the project Golden Society. Hey, this ain't financial advice. This is just me sharing information with you, but I would definitely check that out. It's gonna be something huge if you ask me. Remember, this is your first time to my channel, hit that like, subscribe button. That way you can join the family. All you gotta do is click the little subscribe button and boom, click, you part of the click. So that's what it is. So Hustling Crypto family, it's been a good video. I gotta get up out of here. But remember, stay safe, do your own research, and always be hustling crypto. See y'all on the next one. Peace.